Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video we're going to be making a card for a friend with an easy watercolor pencil technique. So I'm starting with a standard size base and some cut cardstock. That's 4 by 5 1/4 in white with a strip to accent on the inside of the card. And then I have another piece of that designer paper 4 by 5 1/4 and two other pieces cut 3 by 4 and 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 to put on the front of the card, and this is going to hold our main image. But first we're going to do a ribbon treatment here that I like to do, just wrapping the ribbon around the cardstock and taking some twine or jute to tie a bow around the two ends for a little bit of color accent. So I'll trim those ends off, and I have some die cut circles where I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "Hey friend," glue those two together. Then I've got my seagull stamped, and I'm using watercolor pencils with a blender pen, just adding a little bit of color to the wing and the beak with some Daffodil Delight and a blue watercolor pencil. Then I'll take a blender pen and just smooth and blend that color out, and it is so easy to do. This image was stamped in Stays On ink, and so the image won't smear. To finish it off, we're going to add some bling and have a nice card to send to a friend where you can write a sweet message inside. So I hope you'll try this with the watercolor pencils. Be sure to like and follow Ink and Inspirations for more ideas.